Ooh, thunderstorm. Oh. Late night thunderstorm, little grand finale to my day. Oh, yeah, let's see if anything crazy happens. Right before I started recording, there was a big lightning and a big thunder, and I missed it. Oh, maybe that'll make up for what I missed. Well, you guys missed it. I didn't. I wish this was a severe storm, but unfortunately, it's just a little storm. Nice little ending to my day before I go to bed here. It's like 11 o'clock. Time for bed soon. Gotta wake up for work. Another day, another dollar. Come on, big stride. Big stride. Ooh, like it's daytime. Flashes of daytime. E-cig. Where's my lightning? Where's my thunder? I'm gonna get a big one. That's what she said. Nice, nice, very nice. Yeah. Wow. Cool beans. Now that's gotta be a big thunder. And give me a boom. A growl. Something. Oh, God, you're not hitting the strikes tonight. You're a little off in your bowling game there. You got the flashes and all that, but wow. There we go. Quite a spectacular lightning show. At least. Gotta recharge my e-cig. Shit. It's dead. Alright. Here's a little grumble. Wow. Look at that, there's another one. Alright. Now there's a little something something, huh? The video is coming to an end. So guys, nothing.